Hello dear students, today we will discuss a new practical or something new topic which we remain unsolved in our lecture, in today's Zoom lecture, that transistor as a switch. Okay, transistor as a switch, we remain unsolved there. Now let us solve that problem. We had stuck with some resistance value. Now here I am going to solve that issue. आज हम थोड़ा सा उसको थोड़ा अलग टाइप से डिज़ाइन करेंगे. प्रैक्टिकल मैनुअल में जिस तरह से दिया है उससे थोड़ा सा हट के डिज़ाइन करेंगे एंड विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू सी द डिज़ाइन एंड इट विल क्रिएट ए वेरी ऑफन इंटरेस्ट हाउ वी कैन डिज़ाइन दिस पर्टिकुलर simulation, that is transistor as a switch. So without wasting time, let's start. So in multisim, let's place the components for our design. The first component will be the transistor from NPN family, BJT NPN family. Let us choose our transistor, that is BC548A or BC548BP, you can choose. Then we will need one LED here, so go to diodes, we will choose one LED. Let's choose a red LED, that will be visualized better, so let's keep it aside. Then go for one resistance here. Then we will need one switch, a simple SPST switch. Let's go for it. Then we will need one source, power source. We will need power source, let us say VCC or VDD you can use. Let's connect over here. Just rotate it by pressing Ctrl R. So the connections are done. Go with the switch. Switch is also connected. You can either connect the base resistance or you cannot. You can directly go without connecting the base resistance. Okay, you just do one thing. We will use the base resistance. So you cut here and you paste it. Rotate it. Ctrl R. So let's choose the base resistance value. So base resistance is connected. Now connect a LED here. That LED will itself act as a load. So I will tell you after connecting resistance what result we are getting. We will use the resistance also. Now let's choose the ground. Without ground the circuit will not run. So ground is connected here. Okay. Now let's start the simulation. The circuit is complete. Let's start the simulation. Let's check whether the output is coming or not. Okay, the output is coming. It's simple output. By pressing a space key, the output is coming. Now the thing is, we need to do some analysis. Let's stop this. We need to do some analysis that how much current is flowing from LED and how much current is flowing from base. So how we will do that analysis? That new thing I would like to tell you here, that how we can do the analysis. Here in multisim we have one option. You can see here some options are available here, or you can directly right click here and place probe. By using place probe you can use, suppose current probe I am placing here a current probe, and I can say that how much current is flowing from this LED. One more current probe I can use. Let's copy it and paste here. One more current probe I am using. Let's say what amount of current is flowing from, just a minute, keep it here, just have some space. Now I can keep it here. Okay, now it is connected. Current probe here is connected and here also it is connected. Okay, now let's run the circuit. You simply press the, you can see here some current is to be shown. यहाँ पे देखेंगे आप, ये देखो यहाँ पे करंट दिख रहा है. If you maximize it or you change the font, go to appearance and change the font. Let's say I am keeping it 22. You can clearly visualize that your LED is having this much amount of current. 379 milliampere of current is flowing through your LED. Okay, and through your base, how much amount of current is flowing? You can see here through the base the current is flowing around 3.94 milliamps. Okay, now if you go on, if you change this resistance, if you change this resistance value, let us say 50 kilo ohm, for 50 kilo ohm how much current, and if you add some resistance here, that we will do later. Let us check first how much current is flowing from base. Now you can see the current has decreased to microampere range because we have increased the resistance value. Still the LED is glowing because 24.5 milliampere of current is flowing from the LED. Okay, this is a modification in this particular practical. We have not yet have, this is in our EDC manual. EDC manual में ये सब नहीं है, लेकिन हम इसका एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे LED में से कितना करंट लो रहा है. LED is having 24.5 milliampere current and here base is having 85.2 microampere of current. You can see here DC current as well as the RMS DC RMS value 24.5. Now if I need to reduce this, what I will do here, I will add one resistance here. I will add one resistance. If I am adding a resistance here, what will happen? Let's see, let's check what will happen. Okay, let us add one resistance here. Break this link. I am keeping one resistance. Go with the resistor. Let's add a resistance. Let's auto rotate it. Control R और इसको उठा के यहाँ फिट कर देंगे. इसको यहाँ कनेक्ट कर देते हैं इन दोनों के बीच में. थोड़ा सोर्स को ऊपर ले लेंगे. Okay, now it is connected. Let us say the value of this resistance is, for example, 500 ohm. 500 ohm is sufficient. Now let's run. Now see here, LED is not glowing because this resistance is creating a drop and it is not allowing a current to flow from your LED. ये रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू ज़्यादा हो गई, आपके LED में से करंट फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है, इसका मतलब आपका LED ग्लो नहीं होगा. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, आइदर यू इंक्रीज द सप्लाई और यू रिड्यूस द वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. हम अब दोनों करके देखेंगे. हम सप्लाई का वैल्यू इंक्रीज करके देखते हैं. सप्लाई को हम 10 वोल्ट पे लेके जाते हैं. लेट्स सी LED ग्लोज और नॉट. लेट्स रन द सर्किट. स्टिल LED इज नॉट ग्लोइंग. Still LED is not glowing. Okay, now let's reduce the value of this resistance. Go to 100 ohm or okay 100 ohm. Let's see what happens. Simulation is running. Okay, still LED is not glowing. Okay, so you remove this resistance. This resistance is creating a drop, so you directly connect your LED here and you can see that current is flowing and LED is glowing here. Okay, so we can see here, if we add some resistance, let us say 100 ohm resistance or 50 ohm resistance, so that may create a change and LED will have some kind of current. तो LED में से current flow होगा तो LED ग्लो हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे अगर आप फिर से स्विच ऑफ करते हैं तो देखो LED में से वेरी लेस करंट इज फ्लोइंग, दैट इज नथिंग बट योर माइनॉरिटी चार्ज करंट. मेजॉरिटी चार्ज करंट के लिए आपको ये स्विच ऑफ करना पड़ेगा, ऑन करना पड़ेगा. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर 50.7 मिली एम्पियर ऑफ करंट इज फ्लोइंग एंड LED इज ऑन. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू कैन परफॉर्म योर simulation for transistor as a switch. Okay, thank you very much.